Hey, it's another busy day on the job site. We're doing pretty busy today. Got an excavator right there. We've been digging up a road. Oh, here comes a dump truck. That's a big dump truck. Now we got a delivery truck over there. That's an equipment. This one's an equipment carrying truck. Let's come over here and get a good look at it. So they drive it up on that ramp right there. And that's how they get the equipment on and off. They carry all kinds of different equipment on here. We just had an 8K forklift delivered out here. Oh, 8K means it'll pick up 8,000 pounds. What else we have going on here? We've got a bobcat, an excavator. They're tearing up the road. We're taking this old road out and putting a new one in. We've got a big front end loader right here. And they've been tearing the road up. Look at all that. It's pretty incredible. Oh, look at this. Now the truck's backing up to the excavator, the dump truck. He's going to start loading the excess asphalt into the dump truck, and they're going to haul it off. Asphalt is the black stuff that the road is made of. That's what it's called. And these are large hunks of concrete. They came from the curb. He's gonna grab it and pick it up. That's super cool. Gonna shake off the excess so he doesn't get it in the new road. And then dump it in. Carefully place it. Cool. And then he's going to repeat. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Bye.